Welcome back. Here's a little crossbow I made out of some leftover wood. The bow is hickory and draws over 60 pounds at a few inches of draw. No snakes were harmed in the making of this video. These skins are from roadkill. The stock is bird's eye maple, the string is linen, and the mechanisms are all metal-free. The nut and trigger are made of antler. The trigger even has a little return spring. I got around needing metal by using a thin ply of cowhorn as a leaf spring. The darts are bamboo with deer rawhide fletchings, and the tips are made of nails. Well, that's all for today. I do have some more miniature crossbows in my collection, so let me know if you'd like to see them, and I'll see you all in the next one.